Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer Thai green curry chicken wings. Let's begin. We have here 12 pieces of chicken wings and we're going to season it first. We'll need some salt. There you go. Some garlic powder. You can be generous with the garlic powder. Some onion powder. And lastly, lightly sprinkle some coriander. We're going to flip them over and do the same thing. There we go, we season both sides. We're going to put the chicken wings to the side. And let's prepare the sauce. We have here 2 tablespoons of melted butter. We're using Kerrygold butter. We'll need 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon. Next, we'll need some Thai green curry paste. You can buy it at your local grocery store or you can buy it on Amazon. We'll need 2 teaspoons of Thai green curry paste. 1, 2. Mix it all up. Okay, it's blended nice and evenly. We're going to put this to the side. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees and preheat it for 5 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the chicken wings. There you go, we have 12 chicken wings in the air fryer. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 23 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes so far. Let's flip them over. Looking wonderful. Let's flip them over. There we go, we flip them all over. And now let's put it back in for the last 13 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 20 minutes. And now let's add the green curry sauce. There we go. Let's flip it over. Okay, we flipped them all over. And now let's add the green Thai curry sauce to the other side. There we go. We added the sauce to both sides of the chicken wings. And now let's put it back in for the last 3 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 23 minutes at 400 degrees. Looking wonderful. We also have here some white rice. And we're going to put the chicken wings on top. Next, we're going to add some chopped up cilantro on top. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer Thai green curry chicken wings. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite, and thanks for watching.